Hey everyone, I'm Alexis and I'm the owner of Grazing Gouda Charcuterie. Grazing Gouda was founded back in November of 2020, right here in Lincoln, Nebraska. But my destiny for cheese started long before then. Growing up, I remember my parents having family and friends over to gather around the island table, sharing stories, laughing, and grazing on charcuterie. Now, while I can't have each of you over to my house for a wine and cheese night, I can create an intentional space for you to gather and be in community with others. I believe the real magic happens when you all come together to experience a hands-on charcuterie workshop. It is so exciting to see all the light bulbs go off in your head when you learn how to make your first salami rows or test out all the unique ways to display cheese on a board. You get to enjoy the process from start to finish, beginning with a plain empty board and ending with a beautiful creation to take home and share with others. I'm so excited to continue to provide a space for you all to gather and enjoy a Grazing Gouda experience. Hope to see you at a workshop soon.